Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shades of Mix. Today is the third day of our Christmas weekend trip. Today is a very beautiful day because it's sunny and the sun is outside, it's bright, and we are going to a mountain top via a cable car and we'll get some amazing views and hopefully I'll show you on the video as well. So let's go! So I'm here on top of mountain in Innsbruck and just look at the ranges. How beautiful it can be. Just look at it. Yeah, so we are down now, back from the mountains, and it was really amazing. What do you say?
Yes, it was really nice sunny day and we had a nice view of the snow mountains.
Yeah, and I've seen these type of mountains earlier as well, but for Saurabh it was the first time in a good weather.
Yes, otherwise whenever I went, it was always raining and fog.
Exactly. Because the train is not going down, we are in the bus, and see how crowded it is. See. So now we are going to Innsbruck city, but you can see it only in my next video. Keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe Shades of Mix. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.